Triveni Bhajankar. I am a student of B.Tech third year in Civil Engineering Department from Tulsiramji Gaikwad Patil College of Engineering and Technology. I take one numerical on topic shape factor. The question is calculate shape factor for following rectangular section. Depth is a 418 mm and breadth is a 118 mm. Given D is equals to 4188 mm. Area of rectangle is equals to D into B. Breadth is equals to 118 mm. To find shape factor, formula SP is equals to ZP upon ZD. ZD is equals to I upon Y and ZP is equals to A by 2. Then y bar 1 and y bar 2 in one bracket. Calculation, ZP is equals to A upon 2 y bar 1 plus y bar 2 in one bracket. ZP is equals to 118 into 418 divided by 2. Then D by 4 plus D by 4 in one bracket. Then ZP is equals to 118 into 418 divided by 2. Then 418 and divided by 4 plus 418 divided by 4. Then ZP is equals to answer is 51458 mm cube. ZD is equals to I by Y. ZD is equals to B into D cube upon 12 upon D upon 2. ZD is equals to B into D square upon 6 is equals to 118 into 418 square upon 6. Then ZD answer is 3436 to 38.667 mm. Then now SP is equals to ZP upon ZD is equal to 515358 upon 3436 to 38.667. Then SP is equals to 1.5. Hence the SP for rectangular section is 1.5. Thank you.